As you know, over these past weeks and months, the whole world has been confronted by a public health crisis, the likes of which none of us has ever known. All of our communities face so many bewildering uncertainties, and every day brings more stories of desperate loss. Even countries with strong governments and advanced health systems have been hit hard by this crisis. Imagine then, as the International Rescue Committee's remarkable staff and volunteers know so well, just how critical the situation is in those parts of the world where, instead of modern medicine and well-developed systems of cooperation, there is such dreadful conflict and crisis. Just think for a moment, how do you socially distance in a crowded, sprawling refugee camp? How do you protect yourself and your family from this virus when you don't have basic access to soap and water? How do you keep up hope when doctors and nurses are nowhere to be seen? The International Rescue Committee is working in those countries where the situation is most grave, where people are the most vulnerable, and where this virus threatens to run riot and wreak utter havoc. This vital support to people in conflict and crisis is only possible thanks to the extraordinary efforts of International Rescue Committee staff and volunteers who are so marvellously stepping up in the service of others. To each of them and to all of you who so generously support them and the work of the International Rescue Committee in countless ways, I can only offer my heartfelt gratitude.